This is an underrated Python feature that you need to learn about. So you can see that I have some functions send email that I'm bringing in from some type of utility library. Now this function has a few different parameters, some that you need to pass like to, subject, body, and then some optional parameters that are keywords like priority, retry, maybe some more. Now, it makes sense that we might want to wrap this function call in some other functions to kind of denote what they're doing. For example, sending an urgent email, sending notifications, sending a marketing email, etc. But you see here that we're writing a lot of repetitive code because all of these functions that we're writing need to accept these mandatory positional arguments, and there must be a better way. Well, there is, and that is by using the func tools partial. What I can do is I can write partial, I can pass the name of the function that I want to wrap, and then I can pass any of the parameters that I want to always pass when I use this partial function call. This means that when I use urgent email, which is really a function, it will always pass priority equal to high and retry equal to true. And then I'll be able to pass the mandatory positional arguments like the receiving email, the subject, and then the message or the body. And the nice thing about this feature is that it eliminates me having to constantly write those same positional arguments over and over again. It makes my code a lot easier to read and understand.